So guys, very quick, let me start with the simplest part. Okay, let me start with the simplest part. This is the key of E. Now let me show you the progression. We are in the key of E still, but an octave high. Okay, I want you to see this very good. This is the key of E. All right, this is what we do. This is the key of E, fret number 12, first finger fret number 12, string 1, string 2, second finger fret number 13, string 3, third finger fret number 14, string 4. Pick everything. That is step 1. Step 2, remove your second finger, take your third finger, place it on fret number 13, fret number 14, second string. Your first finger, place it on fret number 12, first string. Pick those two strings. I want you to go backwards and go backwards this way with the same shape. You see that same shape? I want you to move this same shape from, or I want you to move, you are here, fret number 12, fret number 14. Now your first finger, I want you to place it on the first string, fret number 14. Third finger, place it on the second string, fret number 16, and play the same thing. Let's continue. I want you to take your first finger, place it on fret number 16, first string. Take your second finger, place it on your 17th fret, second string, and pick those two strings. I want you to go forward. I want you to go forward the way you came. Take your first finger, place it on the 12th fret. The way you came, just enter that shape. Then, okay? So in short, I'm showing you this. Okay? That is step number 1. So let's start with the simplest part. I want you to play these notes like this. Here, we are here. I want you to play them like this. Without explaining. My pinky finger is playing the fret number 19. Okay? Are you seeing? Twice. Move with the same progression that I've told you. My pinky finger is playing that fret. It's playing the A note. Okay? And then so you have one more time. One more time. Have you seen what I've shown you? That is why I was telling you. That is why I keep on reminding you that if you don't know about shapes, just go and check out my video, my tutorial. Check out that video that I did on shapes. That is step number 1, the easiest part. Okay, next thing, so here I want you to do it like this without explaining. Just watch. This is still shape number 7. When you see me doing, it's still shape number 7. You see this finger now, nimeeka hii. I'm using this one instead of this one. Okay? you see? So there is nothing new there, okay? So and then so we are done with the simplest part. Now I want to show you the hardest part. All right,